Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Buddy at Bert's Garage. Of course, I'm not at Bert's Garage. I'm at my garage in downtown Port Royal, getting ready for the Softshell Crab Festival, and the car club's having a car festival also. So I'm going to take you along with me today. So share, like, and subscribe, and get ready to take a look and see what's sitting behind the door here. Looks like it might be an MGB. There it is. So we're going to take this over to the get set up for the car club show and car show, and I'll get back with you in a little bit. Here we are at the Softshell Crab Festival. It doesn't really start until about 11 o'clock, so a few cars have gotten here. Some people setting up. Car clubs here. Got a few cars, got a nice Challenger, a Cobra, Volkswagen, TR7, a beautiful 40s Ford Deluxe, looks like, and then it'll get picked up. It'll pick up here about another hour. It should be pretty busy. So we're all set up. Got the MGB all set up. Looks good. Needs to get it buffed and wet sanded and buffed, get it nice and smooth. Got a little book made up for the telling the story about the car. Bought in August of 23, and it's come a long ways. And I got Bert's shirt from the car club. Buddy at Bert's Garage. This is my man. This is got me into this again. Great guy. So that's what's happening here. So thanks for joining me, and I'll give you some more updates a little later. I'm probably gonna go back home for a couple hours. So since I'm standing around here, cars here, and I'll get back with you in a little bit. Thanks. Here we go. This is the food vendors down here. We've got barbecue, lots of Italian sausage, lemonade, soft shell crabs. This place right here on the right, Sea Eagle Market, usually has great food. So if you're hungry, this is the place to come for a little festival. You got Snowies, the Belly Busser. And doesn't really start until 11, so it's a little early. It's about 10. Some vendors still setting up, but we got a music stage here. We'll have entertainment here in a little bit, so let's give a walkthrough real quick before they give the awards out. Got some Volkswagens up here somewhere.
Nice hat.
Thank you, man. Yeah, I got some VWs up here when I want to see. It's a great old Ford. This is an old race car. 1924. Look at that thing. It's gorgeous. Nice Shelby, and here's some Volkswagens, which is so cool. I love Volkswagens. Of course, being a Porsche guy, you like it Volkswagens, but these are so sweet. Two Carmen Gias, which is very unusual, but that gives you a little brief overlook. Nice Camaro up here. So that's pretty much, I think people will be breaking out of here pretty soon, but I want to give you a walkthrough real quick. I couldn't record a whole lot because of the music in the background. Didn't want to get into a copyright situation, so that's where we stand, and thanks for coming along with me at the Softshell Crab Festival 2026. Beautiful truck there, and very nice Falcon pickup truck.